today we're out riding at Nate's again. We the black muck field, but this time we made a track. We got Jesus. I told you don't roll them.
Gotta go wide. Can't go in.
We got Sturmy, we got Nate, we got Vince on the moto boho. I'm on the pitter. We got B-Dog, KX. Yeah, we'll see if Sturmy has enough balls to jump it, because it seems like Brandon has. But yeah, we'll see if Sturmy jumps these or not. See if he lands it, see if he dies. We'll see.
Oh my God! It's so, I sink in so bad. Fucking Moto 4 coming in hot as fuck. Look at that piece of shit. Oh shit. That thing is fucking quick. Brand, what do you think about that?
It's alright.
Yeah. It's like alright. Got the crafter. Shower rod in here. Nate's scared to hit it. Look at the pussy, because he rides a Raptor. Rides a Raptor. Yeah, rides a Raptor.
He's high centered it.
Wow! What a good boy!
What a good boy.
Whew.
What a good boy.
Oh, there he goes. Oh!
That was Nate's first time. Did it pretty good. Maybe he'll jump the second one now. Probably not. But hopefully he does it again.
This is Mark getting ready for the big jump on the Sierra F-110 pump. Here we fucking go, boys. Damn it, Mark!
We got retard McGee here wrecking the jumps. Not wearing his helmet.
God dang! Come on, let her down! Let her down! Oh! Get her going!
dance. The shot. Oh! God damn! You made it!
You get that shit on video? Damn it, I fell into a weed plant. That fucker hurt.
Fell into the cabbage.
I fell into a fucking weed plant. Fascinates weed plant strikes again.
10 seconds! He fucking sucks. Oh! Oh! 10 seconds! Nate Dogg, the winner. He wins. I lose. I'm at Nasty Nate's Weed Field with the racers that placed podium today. Third place, we got little Marcus Christopher. How'd you feel about the race?
I was feeling good all three races. I couldn't pull it off. I laid it down all three times. I don't know what happened. Corner over there got me. Slick. Got some bad tires, but can't make excuses.
What kind of bike?
Bike was running strong. CRF 110, 132. I just couldn't pull it off. Not enough power to keep up with the quads.
Second place, we have Nasty Nate.
Oh, I mean, the first race didn't go as planned. Didn't even start. We just stayed at
Why
the
is
finish
that?
line. Well,
Yamaha.
yeah, Yamaha. And then second race, we won. And third race, I just couldn't pull it off and pass for first place.
Can you tell me what this little tag's for?
Not really, honestly.
Nothing. And then where's the grand champion? Fucking Jacob Sturmy.
Got number one. I'd just like to say thank you to Nasty Nate and having us here at the Weed Field today. Competed against some great competition. I pulled away with the 400 EX. Just got actually big board, so it's running strong. Made some good turns. Yeah, heat 1, heat 3, I took away, and we're now in You know, I just like to thank my sponsors. You know, I got Honda on board. I got Pivot Works, Quad Boss, Alba Racing, and then I got my decals, and then Fox Racing and 100% goggles. Yeah, thank you.
I got a question. Is your engine a gold-plated engine?
No, it's not a gold plate. And that's gonna do it for today's video. You know, we had a good day of racing, riding the new track, got some jumps going, a couple races, and had some fun. Mark,
Yeah, it was a good day. Some super serious racing. It was life or death out there.
fuck yeah.
We could have got seriously hurt, but it was a good time today. Just racing, having fun.
Yeah. Just like to thank our sponsors out there keeping the lights on. We got Vinny Garrow, we got Yamaha on board, and then we got Kames Racing. Yeah. And then ZooTube is actually a new sponsor we just picked up, and they're really cute. But ending here on a serious note. Fucking planes.
Yeah, on a serious note,
Mark,
fuck the planes, and then we just
fuck that plane.
we had a good time riding today. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, share, subscribe, comment.
Make sure to hit that bell, turn on our fucking notifications, maybe get us some followers.
Yeah, maybe we
fucking
can get
no one follows.
maybe
We need
can
a
get
fucking payday.
13 subscribers. Be that 13. Maybe we'll send you out a dildo.
I don't know about those. Maybe we'll sign you a
Signed from
piece
the
of
boys.
Yeah, like a sign.
Follow the Instagram.
Maybe we'll
Boys,
send you guys out a
BOIS.
signed used condom from one of the boys.
From Big Tobe. Big Tobe.
All right.